In this video, I'm going to show you how to share Instagram posts to Facebook. So let's go to Instagram and make sure that you are linked to Facebook. So let's go to your profile and then tap the menu button at the top right and then go to settings. Let's tap account and then let's tap linked accounts and then let's tap on Facebook. So let's just wait for it. And then this option comes up, which we want to select start sharing to Facebook. So now your posts on Instagram will be shared to Facebook too. If you want to unlink, you just tap on Facebook and then you get across the options here, and then at the bottom there's unlink. So if you press unlink, your Instagram posts will no longer appear on Facebook. And that is how to share Instagram posts to Facebook. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.